be down there in an hour, couldn't he?
Could be down there in an hour. He could be riding an RT by 2 o'clock.
Exactly.
And divorced by 3.
Depends what they'd give on this, doesn't it?
Oh,
and I do the old yeah, dodgy tyre.
Quite.
It would be interesting though, to see you get back on one of those and see what you think after the GS.
Yeah, I'd need to ride one again because the knee position is more tucked up.
You might not like it anymore.
I mean, the thing with it is it's got that fucking great big fairing and that big barn door of a fucking screen.
Yeah.
And you just sat in a quiet bubble. Not that anyway, it's quiet when I'm sat in a fucker.
There's no such thing as a fucking quiet bubble when Nigel in it.
You can just hear all his voices clearer.
Yeah.
Well, she's staying at 42.6.
Wow. If it wasn't sealed, it would have revealed itself by now, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I think so. So what we'll do, we'll test it in a minute on its sidewalls.
Yeah. Take it up to its speed rating, eh?
A fucking Allen key.
I know, of all things.
And like you said, it wasn't that far in. I mean, yes, it had punctured it had gone right through, but it wasn't. It was only on the small bended bit that it was in, not the long bit.
Yeah, that must have just flicked up under your tyre.
Yeah.
Upright. And you ran over it.
It was nice of him to take one for the team, wasn't it?
It is, isn't it?
In a brand spanking new fucking tyre. It's probably done what? 300 mile, 400?
Yeah.
That was a new tyre, look, before we went on that ride with Andy.
Yes.
I don't think we went out before, did we?
You're fine though. It'll last a length of the tyre, won't it?
I mean, I'm almost certain I had the same. I think it might have been my TZR R1250 maybe. I had a brand new tyre fitted at Furlongs and got a puncture in it on the way home. I'm sure I did.
Fucking hell.
That is what you call sod's law, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it just, I mean, it highlights the fact they don't sweep the fucking roads or anything anymore, do they?
No, do they fuck? They don't even fill the potholes on them.
No.
Oh, not on the way to work. Out through the back.
Talking a pothole.
Yeah, out through the back lanes. Even the repairs that they put in are now falling out.
Yeah, because they just chuck it in.
You see them working out in the rain and they're just chucking tarmac in a wet hole, aren't they?
Yeah.
They ain't never going to bond like
Nothing wrong
that,
with
is
a wet hole.
It's just when it's full of fucking tarmac. We all Bonnie Blue again.
But it's good that there's 3 of us out and all 3 of us had puncture repair kits and compressors.
Yes. Exactly.
Do you carry a first aid kit?
No.
Don't be stupid, I was a paramedic.
I've got some ibuprofen on me and some cocodamol. Because you never know.
I do carry a very basic one. Not for me, but you know, it could help someone who needed a bit extra.
Yeah. My worry is if I carried one, I'd be expected to use it.
It's like they always used to knock on my house and say, "Hey, you haven't got any of them steri strips, have you?" So fuck off. It's a bit like asking a plumber if he's got a fucking tap washer in his house.
Yeah.
Of course he hasn't.
Of course he hasn't.
It's not this one we want, is it?
No, it's not. It's the next one.
Let's go round again then. Let's go round again. Maybe we'll turn back the hands of time.
Oh God, I'm recording all this shit. I can't even edit it out.
But we haven't turned back the hands of time. We've put them forward.
Yeah.
Yes.
She got a girt pair of boots on over there, look.
I thought you were going to say something much nicer than that.
And what the fuck has he got on his head? Yeah, look on the left. She got a pair of boots that look like she's ready to walk on the moon. Is it a she or is it a he?
I don't know.
It's
That's a bloke.
It's a he.
Fucking hell's bollocks. Fucking hell.
And you
Yeah,
said,
you know
Don't
why?
drink the water.
You can see why they call it the special place. Fucking hell.
and he says Somerset's bad.
Yeah, quite.
Ah, they're on a day trip from Somerset.
I thought they looked familiar.
No, stayed at 42.6.
Phil,
Yeah.
forget about it now for the next 2 years.
Yeah, 42.6. It's come off the rim slot. The pressure's, but the pressure's holding.
Yeah, sort of doing right along like this.
She's holding.
I think he just keeps mentioning 42.6 to tell you that your pump was out by 0.1.
Point one.
Because you only said it at 42.5, didn't you?
Well, you can't blame the
It's
Germans.
It's either that or my screen's frozen. What are we doing here? I reckon we should have gone left back there.
Yeah, I think you're probably right.
Shouldn't we? We
I've
should.
got 2 blue lines.
I've got
Yeah,
two blue
but
lines.
we should have gone left back.
Yeah, we should have done.
I'm going
Well,
to go
if
in
you
here
had
and
it on
turn around.
navigation screen,
Watch this car, they just got in on the left here.
Yeah.
That the mirror's flagged up that there's a in the blind spot. And fair play, they did actually notice us. This will be
busy,
fun.
innit?
Yeah, this will be fun.
See, a decent bloke would push his fucking bike out in the road to hold the traffic up.
yeah.
This one, we drive down to it and then come back to there and hang a left. That's what it
do
is. There it is, over there, look.
I see.
Yeah, I see it.
But
Not
we've got to
as
find
white.
somewhere to pull
No,
over.
it's quite beige.
Which is the.
I'd imagine it's the same sort of colour as Nigel's white underpants.
Oh, love it.
Now you can go right up the top here to the car park at the end,
Right.
and we can fire the drone up there.
Oh my
just
God.
Just watch out for things that can stick in your tyre, though.
Yeah, quite.
And I believe it's showing up there.
It is. Whose idea was it to find all these white horses?
I don't know, some pricks.
Yeah.
Yeah, that definitely needs a bit of de-weeding, doesn't it?
Oh my God! Look at her shuffling up the hill here.
Zola Bud, innit? She's doing a better job than I'd be.
Yeah. Fair play to that. Car coming down.
I like the way this blue line turns into a purple-green lane line.
Yeah, and that lovely view up here. Right,
Isn't it?
just here on the left is the car park, or there's bits up there. It might be better up here.
You reckon?
You fucking jinx yourself, you know that, don't you?
Yeah, I know.
Well, as long as you don't jinx me, I don't mind.
What a wanker. There we go, first gear.
Handbrake on.
Are you sure you want this GS leaning that close to you?
Yeah, be alright.
Whence it leans?
Neutral. Oh shit.
That's a long way down, isn't it?
Oh, fuck me. That is.
I can get my foot under me
put
stand.
it over there. Now it's just fucking dying like it's going to land over there somewhere. Look at it.
What? It's going to commit suicide, look.
It is. it's fucking died. It's dived into the grass.
Goodbye, cruel
Hey,
world.
look, it gives you nice pretty pictures on the screen now. How'd you get in here then? Oh, if you go to the end that opens.
Oh, that'll be it, yeah.
Here somewhere, wasn't it?
Right here.
Watch.
You see it?
Yeah. Fucking rubbish.
Right in a cow pat.